Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're like me, then you're always bringing your makeup with you. Let me show you how this silicone makeup bag can really help you bring it with you in a very neat, clutter-free way. This silicone makeup bag is so nice because first of all, it'll last forever since it's very resistant to tearing. I really like how it's so soft. I'm loving this color and I appreciate their magnetic buckle flap closure design that avoids from everything from falling out. This has allowed me to bring everything I need when I'm traveling. I love that when you put everything in here, it doesn't look messy, it looks super neat, and it doesn't look too bulky. This is very durable, this is lightweight, and all your essentials are in one place, which that's super nice. You're not gonna be losing your lipstick or any of your makeup. This silicone bag is very practical. It'll save you from losing your makeup, having everything in one place, and that is my point of view.